Hey everybody, welcome to this video on layerai, an innovative online platform designed to help game studios create stunning 2D and 3D content for game production and growth. One great tool to start with is real-time live canvas, perfect for turning ideas into detailed visuals. Sketch out your concepts on the left canvas and get the AI results live on the right one. You can also upload an image to use as reference, which works with the prompt description you use. Layer also features advanced 2D generation for more precise creations for game assets or characters. This includes all the latest models like Flux and Stable Diffusion XL. Specify what you want to create in detail, and use exclude to indicate what you do not want in the generation. Set the aspect ratio, and click on Forge 2D to launch the generation. Layer will show 4 variations of the image to choose from. Double-click on any image to check it in full detail, and get further options such as upscaling the image up to 4K resolution, export it with or without a background, or send it to the canvas for further editing. This platform ensures that your data is securely stored and SOC 2 compliant. Each of these assets is composed of layers that allow you to build, edit, and manage your creations with great flexibility. In the top right corner, use the plus button to create a new layer that you can fill with a new generation with the options on the left side. The generation on the right matches the size of your image and can be applied within the current layer or a new one. You can also select any layer and go to Remove BG to remove any background made to merge layers more perfectly. Layer also includes several selection tools to select specific parts of the canvas to generate on it and further customize your final asset. Once complete, use Export in the top right corner to save as a PNG or a PSD file. These formats retain transparency, making these ideal for game assets or marketing materials. Layer also includes 3D generation tools, complete with textures. On the left-hand panel, select the tool that suits your needs and choose between 2 generation modes. Select Text to Model to create a 3D model from scratch, supported by a detailed description. Or you can choose Image to Model to upload any image to use as reference, to better control your generation. On the left, you get additional controls to fine-tune your 3D model. You can open and inspect the model, and then download it in GLB or OBJ formats, widely compatible with 3D software and game engines. The 2D and 3D tools of Layer make it a very good tool for game developers and marketers alike. To get additional resources on layerai, make sure to check the video description. This is Zach, and to learn more about me, you can check out my website at www.the-voice-guy.com. And I'll see you guys next time.